Hello, I have Samsung A71 screen replacement for today. So I'm just heating up a little bit, but don't heat too much, otherwise it's melt because it's a plastic bag, which I think I mentioned in earlier video. Most of the Samsung A series has a plastic bag. So let's remove. It's easy to remove because of the plastic. So don't worry about the breakage. So let's take out the SIM tray. So then we can easily remove the back plastic from the body. So it's just almost the same process. Most of the A series has the same back glass theme actually, so you can easily remove that. It's kind of easy job. So just carefully on the corner, because sometimes the corner, if you push the more force, you can break it. So I just forget that screw, so let's remove that screw. That is the reason it was not coming out, I think. So it's easy. Now disconnect the battery, and if you see, there is a screw which is black color. I'm removing right now this one, and so it has a finger sensor which contain which actually has a couple of screws. So let's remove those screws and disconnect this screen connector first, and then disconnect. This is a finger scanner, and let's remove the motherboard from the body. And it has only one connector, which is containing the screen display and the charging port. Actually, the screen display coming to the charging port, and is goes to the main motherboard. So this is the everything. If you look on the back side, it's the same tray and other little bit small components. So that's the a small thing. Actually, it's a compact motherboard. So here's the new screen, which is Samsung A70. So let's open and see what we need to put, which kind of part. Yeah, it looks okay. So let's put all component back, and let's put this motherboard to the new screen. Yeah, so gently place that yeah, this thing on everywhere. So let's connect, and it's time for the battery. This is the main machine, the main connector for the display and the charging port. So let's connect the battery, and it's time to put back the charging, the back cover. So here's the final thing, I think, and let's turn on and see it's working. So it turns on, it shows the A71. Let's see if the touch is working. The touch is working. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and please like my channel and subscribe. Thank you.